by Dixie Cup produce higher profit margins and lower platform costs for the moist food and dairy packaging. Versatility, high speed, efficiency, sanitation, convertibility, and high-quality packages are all outstanding features of Dixie engineered packaging systems. Dixie packagers fill and cap 1/2 ounce to 32 ounce packages with every conceivable size in between. Model 1DP delivers up to 3,600 1/2 to 1.5 ounce packages of cream or condiments per hour. Model 2DP packages up to 6,900 3 to 16 ounce packages of ice cream per hour. And up to 6,900 Dixie cups of ice cream can be packed in plastic bag or carton multipacks per hour on Dixie's multiple unit collators and packers. Model 3DP fills and seals up to 5,000 1/2 to 2 pound packages of cottage cheese, preset sour cream or salads per hour. Model 10DP caser collates, inserts, and seals up to 400 cases of Dixie packages per hour. Capacity enough for the output of 2 Dixie packagers. Packaging machines designed and built by Dixie Cup all have many advanced technical features that increase production line efficiency, lower packaging costs, and provide flexibility and versatility. For example, a positive centering rotary turret conveyor controls the accurate movement of Dixie containers through the entire packaging cycle. A synchronized worm-type dispenser positions containers in the holding pockets of the rotary turret for transfer to the filling valve. Accurate filling is assured by positive metering valves, especially designed for different products packaged on different machines. Dixie cappers seal packages securely with tight-fitting lid and coverall closures made of paper, plastic, or metal. Filled and sealed packages may be discharged on a collating table for hand packing or on the conveyor of an automatic case packing machine like the Model 10DP. Or they may be removed from the rotating turret by a multiple unit takeoff mechanism that orients them on a collator ready for inserting into multipacks. Variable speed controls permit operating speeds timed to any type of size or product processing method. The exterior and all product contact surfaces are made of stainless steel or other approved materials. This type of construction assures long life with a minimum of maintenance. Dixie packagers are easy to set up, operate, and easy to wash up. Changes from one product to another can be made with only a few minutes of downtime. Also, package size changeover can be made quickly with an exchange of conversion parts, thus eliminating costly, time-consuming adjustments. All of these and many other technical features of Dixie packaging systems improve packaging efficiency and help reduce platform costs of moist food and dairy products. A careful examination of any Dixie packaging system in operation will demonstrate how automation and high-speed, efficient operation saves time, labor, and materials. This is a Dixie Model 1DP packaging machine. It automatically fills and seals 1/2, 3/4, 1 and 1.5 ounce individual serving portions of cream, condiments, salad dressings, syrups, toppings, catsup, mustard, applesauce, and other fluid and free-flowing viscous products. This fully automatic packager is designed for a practical, efficient speed of 60 portion packages per minute with one operator. Cups are positioned in the rotary conveyor by a proven worm gear dispenser. They are filled with accurately measured portions by a displacement-type rotary metering valve. A 2-gallon stainless steel supply reservoir mounted directly on the metering valve provides a continuous flow of a wide range of materials with a uniform viscosity. This type of Dixie capper dispenses insert lids and paper coverall closures directly from the packing tubes. Its synchronized movement assures positive capping and leak-proof seals on every package. An automatic takeoff discharges Dixie portion packages on an accumulating table ready for packing into chipboard cartons. All parts are easily removed for cleaning or for changing cup sizes. This is Dixie's newest automatic portion packaging system. It forms low-cost aluminum coverall closures from roll stock on the Ford machine and heat seals them to Dixie Cups as they are filled on the model 1DP Dixie packager. Metal-on foil closure material comes in rolls. It is available in natural silver or colored exterior surfaces. The inner surface has a special heat-sealing coating. The closures are blanked and formed by this unit. They may be handsomely embossed with the brand or product name in the same operation. Formed closures are transferred to the model 1DP packager through a chute that is connected to a special capper with a heat-sealing unit. As the rotary turret moves the filled portion cups to the capper, closures are positioned on each cup. The capper applies heat and pressure to securely seal the closure and crimp the closure skirt around the cup brim. The advanced design of this new system provides many advantages for high-volume portion packagers. First of all product contact surfaces are covered and securely sealed in a manner that satisfies the sanitary regulations of federal, state, and local health agencies. The heat-sealed closure withstands the rigors of icing and distribution, yet it is easy for the consumer to open and use. Field tests and continuous usage have proved consumers' preference for Dixie's new creamer package. It's an accepted type of individual service with unusual attractiveness. Complete automation and foil closures produce highly efficient, functional creamer packages at new low costs for high-volume users such as airlines, caterers, vendors, concessionaires, hospitals, institutions, restaurants, and industrial feeding operations. Dixie's foil closure program also includes the production of pre-formed closures for medium volume requirements and a special pre-formed closure dispensing attachment for Dixie Model 1DP packager. Pre-formed closures are dispensed directly from the original packing tubes. The dispensing unit is actuated and synchronized by a belt drive attached to the capping unit. As the capper drive rotates through a complete cycle, it operates a vacuum-type picker arm, which picks the closure from the tube and drops it into a transfer chute. As the rotary turret moves filled Dixie cups to the capper, closures are positioned on each cup ready for capping. The capper heat seals and forms the closures around the cup brims to make a securely sealed, leak-proof portion package. Dixie's automatic packaging systems with foil closures require only one person for the complete operation, including packing creamers in cartons at speeds up to 3,600 per hour. This foil closure program is another Dixie exclusive. It combines the most advanced methods, techniques, and materials into an automated system that opens new, profitable user markets by reducing platform costs. This is a Model 2DP Dixie packaging machine. It is the real answer to automatic, continuous, in-line processing of ice cream, sundaes, and frozen desserts. It is designed for direct connection to continuous, stiff, or soft ice cream freezers. An extrusion valve with a positive cutoff dispenses uniform weights of stiff ice cream into Dixie packages. Bulk quality, freezer texture, and predetermined overrun is accurately maintained for single flavors or patterns of multiple flavors. Special syrup attachments produce truly variegated sundaes, core sundaes, combination core and top dressing sundaes, and standard sundaes covered with a top layer of syrup. The unequaled versatility of Dixie's 2DP packager is demonstrated by the in-line production of top textured bouquet desserts with delicious toppings and colorful candy decorations. Positive metering gun-type valves are used to fill Dixie packages with soft or wet ice cream. Dixie's ice cream packager can be quickly converted by exchanging conversion parts for packaging 24 different sizes ranging from 3 to 16 ounces, plus a special conversion for packaging ice cream and sherbets in Dixie flush-fill pint containers with coverall closures. The versatile Model 2DP, like all other Dixie packagers, is a ruggedly built precision machine that operates up to speeds of 6,900 units per hour. The variety of Dixie's semi-automatic collating and sealing attachments extend the efficiencies of high-speed inline processing to the hardening room. This is a Model 18 DP collator for packing 12 flush-filled pint packages into cartons for distribution. A special takeoff transfers and positions filled packages on a power-driven conveyor belt. They are moved to a positive alternator which separates the packages into two evenly spaced lines. As the packages move forward, every other one is inverted to orient them properly for inserting into 12-unit cartons. The cutaway carton shows the space-saving arrangement of packages in the carton. This modern, efficient, low-cost method of packing permits the use of smaller cartons and fully utilizes space in hardening rooms, delivery trucks, and store freezers. This is a continuous processing line for 6-ounce Dixie packages of ice cream. The automatic takeoff of the 2DP packager transfers the filled packages from the rotary turret to the conveyor belt of Dixie's Model 19 DP collator. As the packages move forward, a positive alternator forms two separate lines, which are carried to separate rotating accumulating tables at the end of the conveyor belts, then slides them through the packing chute into the craft bag. A package of spoons is added. Then the bag is passed to another operator for sealing and transferred to the hardening room conveyor. This packing operation uses 3 operators for maximum packing speed to maintain the freezer-fresh quality of the ice cream. The Model 19 DP collator can be quickly converted for packing plastic bag multipack. A tipping mechanism attached to each side of the conveyor turns and orients the packages on their sides and moves them to a point where they are reformed into a single line in front of the loading chute. 4 cups are pushed through the chute into the plastic bag. Filled multipack bags are heat sealed with standard sealers. Single-row 6-count multipack cartons are packed on this Model 16 DP collator with a tipper mechanism to turn the packages on their sides. The operator opens and places a multipack carton on the end of the loading chute. 6 packages are counted and pushed manually through the chute into the carton. The cartons are closed by folding the self-locking tuck-top flaps into place. This is a Model 8DP Dixie carton packer connected to the 2DP packager. Filled Dixie cups are discharged directly on the 8DP conveyor, which moves them in a single line to the accumulating section, where 4 or 6 cups are collated in 2 rows. When the operator positions a carton on the loading chute, the cups are automatically pushed into the carton. The operator transfers the carton to a Model 13 DP glue sealing machine. As additional cartons are manually pushed through the sealer, glue is applied to the flaps. Then they are folded into position and held under pressure until sealed. This variety of Dixie bulk and multi-pack collating attachments have been developed to speed up multiple unit packing, lower platform costs, and produce greater profit margins for manufacturers and retailers. Dixie ice cream bouquet dinner desserts and a variety of multi-packs of all types are being packaged on Dixie 2DP packaging machines and packed on Dixie collating units to meet the increasing consumer demand for convenient serving portions of America's favorite ice cream treat and dessert. This is the new high-speed automatic Dixie cottage cheese packaging and casing production line. It provides an efficient, completely automatic processing system from cottage cheese vats to cased packages ready for the cooling room. And now, an actual demonstration of automation in cottage cheese packaging. Cheese making is an exacting art that requires the knowledge and skill of experienced cheesemakers. However, automation takes over in this modern cheese room during the final rinsing operation. Curd, suspended in the last rinse water, flows to special pumps designed to protect the curd from breakage. A continuous flow of curd is pumped through sanitary airtight feed lines to the mixer. After the rinse water has been removed, the dressing is added and gently blended with the curd. Creamed cottage cheese flows from the mixer through a large gravity feed line to the model 3DP Dixie automatic packager. The gravity feed is connected to the direct positive action metering valve of the packager. The horizontal suction piston draws the creamed curd into the fill cylinder, and the horizontal discharge stroke pushes all of the cheese gently into a Dixie container. A proven worm gear dispenser drops one container at a time as each pocket of the indexing turret comes into position. An automatic coder stamps each container as it comes into position. Next, the container is lifted into position under the valve and filled with an accurately measured volume of creamed cottage cheese. Filled packages are sealed with paper, metal, or plastic closures that are applied by a powerful capper that presses the closure, firming it into the top of the container. Filled packages feed directly to the input conveyor of the Dixie automatic caser. The packages are collated in single or multiple layers ready for packing. During each collating cycle, a corrugated case is automatically taken from the stack and opened. Filled case flaps are glued and the case is sealed. Sealed cases are held under pressure as they move through the sealing section of the caser to the cold room. This entire filling and casing operation is automatic. The Model 3DP Dixie automatic packager will fill and cap up to 5,000 16-ounce packages per hour. It is readily convertible to sizes ranging from 8 to 32 ounces. The Model 10DP Dixie automatic caser will pack up to 400 24-unit cases per hour, capacity enough for 2 packagers. The Model 10DP is a valuable time and labor-saving unit for use in any type of 8 to 32-ounce round-nested package processing line. This is an 8-ounce Bagby filling and capping machine used with a Dixie caser. A rotating table transfers the cottage cheese packages to the input conveyor of the Dixie caser. They are formed into 2 lines and collated into 2 layers of 12 packages each. During the collating cycle, the Dixie caser automatically opens and positions corrugated shipping cases. A power-activated mechanism pushes the 24 packages as a unit into the open case. The closing and sealing section of the caser applies a high-tack adhesive, securely seals and discharges the cartons for transfer to the cooling room. This is another Dixie caser operating in conjunction with an Anderson high-speed cottage cheese packaging machine. The Anderson machine is used for filling and capping 1 and 2 pound packages of cottage cheese. A straight-line conveyor transfers the packages to the 10DP conveyor, which separates them into 2 feed lines. 1 pound packages are collated into 2 12-package layers and inserted into 24-unit corrugated cases, and the cases are automatically sealed. 2 pound packages are collated in a single 12-unit layer, inserted in the cases and sealed, ready for the cooling room. The efficiency and versatility of Dixie's automatic caser is demonstrated by its ability to collate, pack, and seal cases of 1/2 pound, 1 and 2 pound Dixie cottage cheese packages automatically. The Dixie caser is designed and functions as a completely automatic case packing and sealing machine. It is compact, requires little production line space, fast and easy size conversions, cuts time and labor costs. Stainless steel surfaces are easy to clean and maintain sanitation. It is sturdily built for reliable, trouble-free, automatic case packing. Dixie's corrugated side-loading case system provides many additional money-saving advantages. Flat-folded cases save storage space, and filled cases save cooling room, truck, and retail storage space. Packages are sealed and protected from all hazards. It eliminates handling and cleaning of returned wood and wire cases, lighter weight, and less shipping cost. All of these benefits produce lower platform costs, lower retail store handling cost, and a greater profit margin for dairies, salad and moist food packers, and retailers. Automation by Dixie Cup, a division of American Can Company, is backed up by the only complete packaging service in our industry. Dixie automatic packaging and packing systems for the present and future are designed and built by engineers with many years of experience that dates back to 1923, when Dixie Cup pioneered the market for the first individual portion of ice cream. This scroll trademark is a symbol of quality. It is also backed with a National Field Service Department with qualified technicians located for fast emergency service and assistance, as well as regular installation and maintenance service. Plus, a vast reservoir of research and development engineers with practical know-how, ready to help solve a packaging problem or design a completely automatic processing and packaging system. The benefits of automation by Dixie Cup can be summed up in 6 simple words that are of utmost importance in marketing consumer products today. They are lower platform costs, greater profit margin.